Hey everybody, I am headed over to the machine, but I'm here. We came last night, me and my daughter, and we put some stuff in the machine, but I'm back. You know, I always have to make a couple of trips because I'm never prepared, but yeah, things are going pretty well. I'm gonna go in, put some stuff in there, and head to work a little early because I have some editing to do on my iPad. This is really supposed to be the kids' iPad, but they don't use it. So I think it might be too big. So it's mine now. And I edit. I love editing on there, by the way. Like that's my new toy. Ready. Got a call. See you inside. Oh, get in and get out. Good morning. How are you doing? So far, so good. Good. How you on cash?
Good so far.
Good so far?
Yeah, I haven't really had a,
Okay. Okay, good. Alrighty. Is it still acting up?
Yeah.
Is it? Okay. I guess it's sometime because I was here yesterday. Tony used it and he put it in, got change back.
Other people have been hitting the, and it's still no change.
Okay.
Even I've gone up, let me check.
Okay. Alrighty. How are you on change? You need change?
No, that actually is pretty good because it hasn't been often, but it just when it happens, people are like, oh, whatever, then they'll leave it there. I'm like, you sure you don't want the,
I wonder why.
I don't know. It's the weirdest thing.
Because I've seen people use it, and maybe it takes a few seconds for it to drop.
I've gone and waited.
Like for $1 for 50 cents change?
Well, not just like I say they put $1 by mistake and they whatever, they just want it, or they want to add more and then you'll take it, but then all of a sudden, it's a weird thing.
Alrighty.
Well, let's say they don't have the extra 50 cents and it's like, all right, let me just get the change.
Because the coin mech is full. I checked everything yesterday. Sometimes, I don't know. You know, it's a machine.
Yeah.
You know? Yeah. So what you like?
What
you want?
It's early in the morning.
Take something, whatever you want. It's on me.
Thank you. It's Christmas. Or, no, wait.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah. I'm like, yeah, we skipped the holiday.
Alrighty. That's all you want? I know you like Butterfinger. You want a Butterfinger?
Nah, I'm trying to be good.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah, but thank you, though.
Alright, no problem. Thank you.
I'm always like, oh, snap. Like, certain things are gone. Alright, they like this stuff.
Yeah. I'm still surprised at the veggie straws, though. I guess that's a good. They like it.
I guess
there you go.
Really do like
yeah, they do.
So I'm like, okay.
So text me if you get low on cash.
Yes, ma'am.
Alrighty. Thank you. Alrighty. We here. Gonna fill this up. It's pretty quiet right now. Yeah, they love veggie straws. So we did fill some things up last night. Let me show you. Hold on. How do you turn this thing around? It's crazy. All right, so I put these in yesterday. Popcorners. These go fast. I wish popcorners would put more of this and less of these. These are like the least favorite. The spicy ones are good too, but this one is the #1. So yeah, we put these in. They like these. What is this? This is this one here, butter crunch. They love these too. Pretty much everything in here is a winner, so I try to keep it stocked. All right, so let's start down here. I don't have my tripod, y'all, so I'm gonna try my best to show you a little bit. It's gonna be a little sloppy. Let me put the camera here. So we're gonna put the butter crunch up too. Look, I just got my nails done. Tuesday. Look at my nails. Look at that. And I can't do gel because it messes up my nails. Um, okay, so this is pretty good down here. I don't think I have anything. Alright, so I'm gonna close this. These are pretty good, I love these. So you know what I do? I buy them. Hi, good morning. These are a top seller here. These are really good though. Even the kids like these. Now, I don't usually start from the back, but being that it's at this angle, I can put it in and still make sure that it's sitting right within the foil. I want to make sure it's inside. You should start from the back and work your way up so that you can make sure that the product is sitting right so that it doesn't get stuck when the customer vends it and it doesn't drop. So let's see. Now these are really good, both of them. Even the apple, delicious. And I'm bringing in on the door that's in the car. What goes here? So now I took a chance on getting this box. You know, it had the variety box. The popular one is this one. This one is good, but I took a chance on the variety box, and guess what, y'all? Sold out. Got to get another box. Box is gone. So they like it. So I'm gonna get another box. So I have a good variety of healthy and like unhealthy. So Morning. Good. How are you? much I paid for these? $1.50. Check the $1.50. $1.50. I think that's it. Okay. That's